Alright guys, today I'm going to do a cold start on the 2022 Harley-Davidson Lowrider S. In my prior video I showed you that I took the stock exhaust off, put the slip-on pipe with the baffles. These were used prior. I got them gifted to me, so which I can't complain. I wanted the bike to sound a lot different, so let's see what it sounds like. That's going to be the 2022 Lowrider S with the Tap Performance slip-on exhaust. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.